Oh, they've got a video showing.
They're the posh seats, ain't they?
Move along, please.
I'm not going down it. This is the only one that we're allowed to go in. You alright?
What's your light on for?
Because it's dark.
A new generation.
Is this tiny? What's this door?
Look at that door, yeah.
I can't even fit through that. That's
So,
tiny.
So, we're on the face shoot.
Yeah.
Watch. We're on the face shoot. That's it. Put your feet up now.
Look at you two.
Look at the air outside.
Yeah, you can hear the air raids now.
I think you were playing fly fishing. I think that's outside, Joel.
Yeah.
No, it isn't.
Yeah, it's like that was a school, you know, they used to sound them off. Right until well into the 50s.
I remember air raid sirens.
Yeah, no, well into the 50s.
Because it used to be down by the toilets, down by the Spot Garage.
You
Yeah.
just do hear them every so often.
That's right.
And there used to be one up by Five Ways as well.
Yeah.
An air raid siren.
Yeah, there used to be
That's
one down by the
close up
toilets there. When I was a kid at school, they used to go off and
There's
we
another.
used to have to just go outside, you know, while the
There's
practice
another
done.
one. Up there.
Tram though, isn't it?
Outside, you know,
Yeah.
there's one in the village.
1930 that one was.
Outside till it was finished, till got the all clear, and then just go back to the classroom.
Shut up, airway siren. There's no war. Oi! You got my camera here. There's that bird looking at you, Dad. Oh, there's Dad when he was young. Or Grandad, I should say. Bye for now.